Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, I have a super cool one for you guys. We're going to be checking out a brand new case sent to us courtesy of Humixx. So big thank you and shout out to them for sending this out free for review. Here's what it says on the back: cell phone case, iPhone 14 Pro, as well as the production date, which was only a couple weeks ago, 11/4/2022. And this is their black model. So it doesn't give us too much description, but I have an idea of what this is. So let's go ahead and pop it open. Nothing else in the box. Set that off to the side. Got a little thank you card and lifetime warranty card, which is cool. Slide it out of its protective sleeve here, and here is the case. Check this out. So if you want maximum protection of your camera, this is probably the way to go. Look at that. A lens protection module right there. This is a very unique looking case. Let's go ahead and try it out on the iPhone 14 Pro here, and let's see how it does. Now, first, real quick, I want to talk about the build quality of this. So the sides here are kind of a softer, squishier TPU material, and the back is a harder plastic. So that's going to give you your rigidity. And then the lens protection part here is kind of a two-piece moving design, and that is the harder plastic. And then behind it is also some more. So the sides are the only thing that's really bendable, but it is, the whole thing is soft touch material. So I really like that. It's super comfortable in the hand. So let's go ahead, slap the iPhone 14 Pro in there. Oh yeah, that feels really nice. Super snug fit, but not too hard to put in. All right guys, so here we are. We have the case fully installed on the iPhone 14 Pro. This is what it looks like. And if you wanted to, you can quickly take a quick photo by sliding this all the way off to the side. You kind of have to push it there, and there it goes. It is totally unblocking those cameras. And then if you want, slide it right across. This is great for people with privacy concerns, but also if you just want to protect your lenses. You definitely know maybe you're going somewhere and I don't know, you're going to drop your phone on a gravel surface or something and you're afraid that your camera lens could get broken. This might be a very good option for you. It's almost like a fidget toy to kind of open and close it. It's two pieces, looks really good. There's not many other things on the market that look like this. So if you're holding your phone like this and you want to quickly get a picture, just slide your index finger up here, push it to the side like that, and then take your photo. And when you're done, slide it right back. That is awesome. That's just a pro tip that I think you guys might like. Anyways, razivity, let's go over the basics of the case. Looks pretty good. If you have a screen protector, no worries there. And set it down like that. So that is great to see. On the sides here, button cutouts look good, and the mute switch also looks good. Razivity doesn't really matter here, but you could keep this open 24/7 just like this. And this is such a deep dish that you don't have to worry about setting your phone down like this at all. In fact, it might actually be beneficial too, because look, no more wobbling for the phone because this is all flat. This really levels the field here for the back of the phone. So you don't have to worry about if you're typing on a table, it's not going to be wobbling, which is probably something that should be discussed more often, because that's probably a hidden feature of this, because it works either way, whether it's open or closed. Very nice to see that it's nice and level. Pretty basic design on the back here. Honestly, not a whole lot of design. They could do a little bit of grip on the side, I feel, if they just, kind of printed a little bit of something here just to give you a little bit more grip on the sides. But the power button has a nice grip on it, so you can definitely feel that. Even if you're not looking at it, you'll be able to recognize that there's a button there. These also have that same texture, which could be good or bad, so you might get them confused, but it's still nice to have texture. And then the cutouts at the bottom look perfect. So yeah, let's test the button feel. Oh, these are perfect. Better than stock, honestly. You can probably hear that. Yeah, that's great. And then at the very top, you can see a little bit of a cutout for the speaker up there. Overall, this is a really awesome case. I think it looks great. It flies under the radar. If you're looking for something to cover up your camera, this is probably one of the best options out there. If you're worried about privacy reasons or even just protection reasons, it's great. And even if you don't care about either of those, the fact that it makes the back of this not wobble is fantastic. I can't tell you how annoying it is to have a naked iPhone just sitting out and you try to type. Like, I'll show you guys. I'll take this one off. When you try to type, it wobbles just like that. And if you're sitting at a table, that can get super annoying very quickly. So anyways, check this Humixx case out, guys. I have it linked down below. Big thank you and shout out to Humixx for sending this out free for review. If you like the video, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.